Hi, I'm Lakshan from third year doing my mechatronics engineering. I have been into this lab for the past 3 years, like from my day one. And one of the reasons for me to join in this lab is because of this robotics automation lab. So I have been working in so many projects, and one of the main projects is this autonomous mobile robot. What is a mobile robot? Okay, imagine a situation where you are going to a foreign country in the airport carrying lots of luggages with you, and you need something to take all your luggages, and there is a robot which comes like an automatic trolley near you. So this is an industrial mobile robot which has been used for logistical applications, like to take things from one unit to another. AMR is being used in an industry which can't be used if the factory is being extended or it is fixed to a fixed infrastructure. We are using a lidar which can be used to map the area, and in the HMI or in the UI we can specify the starting point and the end point so that the robot moves from that starting to the end point by avoiding the obstacles going to the shortest path. So the entire hardware and software was done in-house in our college with BIT students. The mechanical part comes from designing the body, fabricating the body, and the electrical and electronics parts are divided into two things, like the processing thing and the controlling of the motors by using intelligence obstacle avoidance system. Students can learn how to build robotics, like from basic robots to advanced robots, because of this infrastructure where the college provided us with more than 8 lakhs fund for us to make this robot, so that we can learn hands-on how a robot works, how it can be implemented in different applications and whatnot. Thank you.